Hi, I'm Sam, a spray product engineer here at Spraying Systems Company. I'm here to help you understand the differences between two of our newest misting sprayers, so you can determine which best meets your disinfection needs. First, let's take a look at our FDS PT Mist Sprayer. It's a great way to easily disinfect high touchpoint areas without saturating surfaces. It produces a fine mist that will coat surfaces without overwetting. This sprayer is easy to set up, easy to use, it's durable, and it's available in different tank sizes. It's portable, so workers can easily move the sprayer from area to area using the top handle. The PT sprayer is plug and spray. Just pressurize the tank and go. The sprayer is equipped with an ergonomically designed spray gun. It's designed of durable materials. The gun is brass, and the tip is stainless steel. The PT sprayer is well suited for disinfecting small and medium-sized areas like offices, break rooms, and waiting areas. It can also be used on office equipment and electronics as long as the disinfectant isn't over-applied. Next, let's take a look at our FDS PTA sprayer. The PTA sprayer also produces a fine mist for thorough disinfection of surfaces with minimal wetting. The PTA uses compressed air and an air-atomizing spray tip, which produces very small droplets. The resulting mist is even finer than the mist produced by the PT sprayer and provides greater coverage, as well as cleaning to surfaces more easily. Like the PT sprayer, the PTA includes an ergonomically designed spray gun. It's also built of durable materials and is available with several different tank sizes. The PTA is portable and can be used for disinfection around your facility. It's especially well suited to areas where complete coverage of surfaces is needed. The PTA does require compressed air for operation, so keep that in mind when planning where it will be used. In addition to disinfection, many customers use the PTA sprayer in stationary operations. For instance, assembly line operations and detailing applications. To learn more about our line of equipment for sanitation and disinfection, contact your local spray specialist, or give us a call at 800-95-SPRAY or visit spray.com.